Hello, today we will discuss how to properly use all types of lights in a car. These are not just buttons, they are your safety and the safety of other road users. Before we begin, it is important to know that depending on the car and its configuration, the light switches may vary. It can be a rotary switch on the dashboard or a knob on the steering column. Let's get started. Automatic mode. Let's start with the auto mode, which is available in many modern cars. In this position, the lights turn on automatically when the light level decreases. A sensor determines when to turn on the parking lights and low beams. Parking lights. The second click on the switch. Parking lights are used to indicate the dimensions of a vehicle on the road, especially in poor visibility conditions, such as at dusk, in fog, or during rain. They help other road users determine the size and position of the car, increasing road safety. Low beams. Third click. Low beams. The main lighting for driving in the dark. The parking lights also work in this mode. High beams. The high beams are turned on by pushing the switch away from you. They are mainly used on poorly lit roads with little traffic. Remember, be sure to switch to low beams when approaching other cars. Flashing high beams. Briefly pulling the switch toward you flashes the high beams. This is used to warn other drivers of danger or to signal to cars ahead to let you pass. Turn signals and hazard lights. Turn signals are activated by moving the switch up or down. Up is a right turn. Down is a left turn. After turning, they usually turn off automatically. Always use your turn signals so that other drivers understand what you are about to do next. The red hazard button, usually located on the dashboard, turns on all turn signals at once. It is used to warn other road users of a potential hazard or unpredictable situation, increasing road safety. For example, in the following situations: forced stop due to a malfunction, traffic accident, blinded by headlights, towing a malfunctioning vehicle. Fog lights. They are turned on separately and can be located on the steering column or represented by buttons on the dashboard. The front ones are used in fog and rain, the rear ones only in very heavy fog, because they are bright and can blind other drivers. Conclusion. Remember the main thing. The correct use of lights is not only compliance with traffic rules, but also respect for other drivers. If you have an auto mode, use it. It is convenient and safe. Be responsible on the road. Like the video if you found it useful, subscribe to the channel, and write in the comments.